Here's my problem today. I have this sink plugged up really bad, and in the past it caused me a real lot of trouble. But I bought this thing and it seems to work very well. So I want to time it today to see how long it takes to work. And I have to have a cut-off funnel like this. And I'll tell you later on why it's made like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pump this baby up. It takes about 10 or 12 times. And I'm going to put a timer on this to see how long it actually to clear this nasty thing up. You have to feed it underneath here like this. I hope I'm in the right place. And you have to put your fingers in the overflow. Now, like I say, it's going to take more than just one time, because this I have to pump it up. It takes a lot of time to go, and we have a timer going on this thing. I want you to know how long it takes it. It really has to go. We'll put it underneath there again. Plug up the overflow. Now you know there's a lot of glob in this thing. It's moving already. I'm surprised it's moving so fast. And there's a lot of hair and glob and whatever. I'm going to shoot it one more time. It's working pretty well. Wow, there it is. Let's see if it's going to work now. Some hot water there. Maybe I'll pump it up and try it again. So there it is. It worked very well, didn't it? So that's hot water flooding going there. I'm surprised it worked that fast. In the past, I put an awful lot of chemicals down there, and snakes and who knows whatever. You can save an awful lot of money if you have a gun like this. And all this really is about this funnel. And I have to make it just right, so it covers that just right like that. And I just use a hacksaw to cut it off, and you stick it on like that. So, because like this it doesn't work right, that's why the funnel is a necessity. And it's a simple thing, just use a hacksaw and cut it off. So there it is. I hope this is useful. It saves me hours and time and chemicals. And I bought this at Amazon, and it's pretty cheap. I think it was less than 20 bucks. I'll put you a link below. You can take a look at that. See what you think. All you need is a funnel like this and cut it off. You can do it with a hacksaw and you're all set. I spent so many times working on this thing, and it was just, I wasted so much time. Now it's so easy and so fast. It's a little bit of fun, in fact. So I hope this video is useful to you, and thank you for watching.